In this video, I'm going to show you how to track non-monthly expenses in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money allows you to manage non-monthly expenses like quarterly bills or annual payments using flex budgeting and the recurring feature. To start, go to Settings, then enable flex budgeting. Once enabled, assign certain categories as non-monthly and turn on rollover. This allows unused funds to carry over, so you can gradually save for larger, irregular expenses. You can then view these categories in the Budget tab, where you will see how much has accumulated and how much is available to spend when the expense comes due. You can also use the Recurring tab to track these expenses. Filter by frequency, such as quarterly or yearly, to see upcoming payments in a calendar or list view. Using both features together helps you plan ahead and stay prepared for irregular costs. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.